I received a call Saturday around 6 o'clock saying that some women were being held on a bus in the parking lot of the police station, and I at first didn't believe it, but since I believe in the cause and I knew about, I had known previously about the march, I went down there to see what was happening. So I went down there and talked to the police, most of whom were very polite and courteous, as police normally are. However, I'll say one thing that really concerned me, and that is that the women who were still on the bus, the men had been taken off the bus, had not been afforded water, and I requested that they be given water around, I guess, 7:30, and that was denied. And I think that certainly the circumstances bear investigation by the governor's office in the first place, the attorney general's office, and the Capitol Police. I won't say anything about my legal strategy except to say that I didn't see anything on the video that I saw that indicated there was anything but a peaceable assembly. And I think that's what the First Amendment of our Constitution guarantees all of us. And so from that standpoint, I made a quick decision as the people started coming out around 9 o'clock that I would represent everybody who wanted to retain my law firm for free. And that includes any appeals if necessary. But to be very honest, I can't imagine why there would be an appeal under the circumstances of these cases. But we're doing it, or I'm representing them pro bono publico, which means for free.
And I know we were speaking briefly inside the courthouse, and you said something that you really had a hard time believing what you were seeing. Can you talk a little about your reaction when you saw what happened at the protest on Saturday?
Well, a little bit of background. I'm a military guy as well. I retired as a colonel back in 2002 after being mobilized after 9/11. And so I saw a lot of different countries in my career, my 30-year career, and I've been to a lot of different places and seen a lot of different actions by police and authorities and so forth. And when I saw the two white buses parked in the parking lot, I hate to say it, but it reminded me of some scenes that I don't like to say I witnessed in some other countries in my past career. And that's why I went there, because I wanted to see what was happening and what I could do to help. And I certainly saw nothing as far as inappropriate behavior towards the folks person to person as I was on the scene. But the fact that they were detained for over 4 hours, in some cases almost 5 or 6 hours, the fact that they were denied water, the fact that when I asked to see them as a lawyer, I was denied that fact, these are all things that need to be investigated, because my understanding is when you're arrested, you're entitled to a lawyer if you assert that right. And I understand that more than one person on more than one occasion sought to see counsel, and I was there, and I wanted to see them, and I was denied that opportunity. And the other thing that concerns me is, and I've been a practicing lawyer for 32 years, is that they were not issued summonses on the site. The people were sitting on the steps. I saw no reason why they could not be issued summonses to report to court today. I saw no reason why they needed to be arrested. And I think these are all issues, I think I've summarized them adequately, that somebody besides me needs to investigate. And I mean the state government. This was certainly an event that needs to be looked into.
And I guess my last question for you, I overheard you when you were speaking with some of the people that were in court today. You said that your hope is that these charges will just be dismissed. Is that your goal at this point?
They should be. I've reread my Constitution. I bring it around with me to court wherever I go. And the Constitution says peaceable assembly. I saw nothing on the video I saw, and believe me, there'll be plenty of videos that will be shown in these cases, should they go forward, that would indicate that anybody, any of the folks that I represent, any of my clients, were anything but peaceable. And they might have, some of them might have said they didn't want to move from the steps, but where's the sign that says you can't trespass in the capital of your own state? I don't see that sign anywhere. I go to the Capitol a lot just to walk around. Nobody's ever told me I can't walk around my Capitol or sit on the steps of my Capitol. So where is the crime? I see no crime here.
You guys got anything else?
That's good, man.
Good. Wayne, thank you very much.